All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol AAPL, Apple Inc. And before I jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all my first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to my channel, Invest for Tomorrow. Hope you guys find this video helpful and informative, and it means you well. To all my subscribers, I want to say thank you. Thank you for your support and recognition to my efforts, as well as your feedback. I really appreciate it a lot, and I hope to continue to relay nothing but helpful and informative information and nothing less from my end to you guys. Let's jump into this chart. So obviously the support from yesterday to today was used, and the bulls quickly in the day brought this one up. Their goal was to break through the 50-day moving average, and they did it, and they went from there, reaching the point of breaking through resistance and hitting a new high. This reached a new high today of about 119 and some change. Let's go ahead and move the support level and resistance level to their new locations, and we're going to zoom in and see what is important for tomorrow. So let's go ahead and see now. The bulls are slightly above the 50-day moving average. They got out of bearish territory. Now the question is, could they use this momentum that they created to continue a run? The 50-day moving average is 116.45. Let's see if I can land exactly on it. There you go. I'd write that down. As long as the bulls stay above 116.45, they are in bullish territory and can start to hit new resistance levels. If they cross it, that means that support was broken through and it's back into bearish territory that can start to test new lows, and the bears will definitely start to gain leverage. It closed out at 118. For the bulls to continue their run after the highest point being reached today, it was 119.13. The bulls are going to want to break through that. They need to break through that, and they want to break through that so they can stay above the 50-day moving average and start to work their way up further away from it. By turning that into a support, they can start to test new resistance levels and newer highs. This was a very bullish run here, and it got leveled off as soon as the bears appeared. Now the question is, could the bulls continue this momentum? They need to break through 119.13. If they don't reach that resistance level and they don't break through it and they don't turn it into a support and test it and prove it, the bulls can quickly lose control here on all this momentum they've created, because the bears will take advantage of the exhaustion and start to try to tear this down, because it's a very close one. I mean, we can clearly see here how close it is. The 50-day moving average is $2 away from the closing price, and it's literally a couple cents away from the support. So the bears are very close to being able to gain control. But right now, they created this momentum, the bulls, and could they go ahead, kind of just level off here and continue their run? 119.13 needs to be broken through, turn into support, and this can test new resistance levels and newer highs. Now, on the other spectrum of things, for the obviously the bears, it is 116.88. The bears are going to want to break through 116.88. If they can break through that, they're very close to the 50-day moving average to get back into bearish territory. And that would be 116.45, crossing the 50-day moving average, and this can start to test new lows and reach new support levels. If the bears are able to break through that, I'd pay very close attention to how it's reacting and how quickly does it break through 116.45 and 116.88, because it can kind of hang out there and the bulls can reappear and load up on stocks and quickly bring this back up, creating a catalyst for a rally. But if it breaks through that quickly and it reaches 116.45 and it tests new numbers below that in the bearish territory, the bears could be well on their way to gaining leverage. And even if the bulls were to reappear, they're going to have very hard time getting this back into bullish territory if the bears dominate this to newer lows. We're going to have to see how it plays out tomorrow. If you guys are encouraged or inclined to subscribe, don't forget to click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post. Share this with you guys, with your friends and community. Share this with your friends and community. And don't forget to hit the like button and let me know you watched this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.